Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to enable the USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra or the S26 or S26 Plus. So let's begin the video. Now, in order to enable the USB debugging on your Samsung Galaxy S26 series, you must ensure that you have developer option enabled. If you don't know how to enable the developer option, I have made a video and its link is the description below. You can check out as well. Now from here, you are going to go to the settings. Then you want to scroll all the way until you see the developer option. Tap on that and then scroll down and look for the USB debugging. If it's grayed out, it means that auto blocker is enabled. So go ahead and navigate back to the main menu, select security and privacy and look for the auto blocker and turn it off. Once you have successfully turned it off, then you can go back to your developer option, find USB debugging, and then tap on the tool to turn it on and confirm your choice. So basically, this is how you can enable the USB debugging on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year.